In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install uTorrent on a Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. To get started, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, go to the official uTorrent website and wait for the page to load. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you see the available download options. You'll typically find uTorrent Web and uTorrent Classic. For this guide, we'll install uTorrent Classic, which is the traditional desktop application. Click Free Download under the uTorrent Classic section. On the next page, choose the free version and wait for the installer to download. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. The setup wizard will now launch. Click Next to continue, then click Next again. Review the license agreement and click Agree to accept the terms. Next, choose your installation preferences. You can enable options such as creating a desktop shortcut or adding a start menu entry. Select the options you prefer and click Next. You'll then see additional configuration settings. It's generally recommended to allow uTorrent through the Windows firewall so it can communicate properly over the network. You can also decide whether uTorrent should start automatically when Windows boots. If you prefer faster startup times, you may want to disable this option. After choosing your preferred settings, click Next to continue. The installation process will begin. Wait a few moments while Windows installs the application. Once the installation is complete, you can leave the Launch uTorrent option checked if you'd like to open the program immediately. Then click Finish. uTorrent will now launch, and you're ready to start using the application on your Windows 11 computer. And that's how to download and install uTorrent on Windows 11. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials, tips, and troubleshooting guides.